Hey, I'm Jessie Janae and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox your favorite brands, but we don't talk about their product, we talk about the box itself, because you're at Lumi HQ, and here we help brands with their packaging. Let's see what's in my mailbox today. Ooh, it's Hubble. Hubble is an online contact subscription brand, so you can get your contacts shipped straight to your doorstep. What can we learn by looking at the outside of this box? Well, first, it's small. How small? Ah! Okay, it's so small it jumped right out of my hands. That was on me, not the box. What else can we notice? Well, it's made out of a thinner grade corrugate for sure. Let me grab my handy dandy flute identifier. Oh yeah, that's the fit. We got a classic E-flute on our hands. E-flute is a great durable corrugate that is thinner than the standard B-flute, so you can really make a nice tight compact box that folds together nicely because the corrugate itself isn't too chunky. E-flute also, because it's thinner, stores more efficiently than normal B-flute boxes. So you can get a lot of these boxes on a pallet flat, which means they're saving room in their storage facility. It's probably been chosen for its strength and the fact that when you cut it out, it'll fold really nicely with all these tight curves because of this box's size. What else? Well guys, this is a one color printed box on the outside. I don't know what's on the inside yet, but this is a classic Kraft box with a black print. And you've got a Hubble logo here, a Hubble logo here, and also little dots just to kind of remind you, boop, boop, we're here, we're Hubble, and we mean business. So you've got a really nice clean presentation on the top and the sides. How do you know where this puppy needs to be shipped? Boom, shipping label right on the bottom. I like this move because it means that you've got all your critical information, and you'll notice that this standard 4x6 shipping label fits right on the box. Is it an accident? I think not. I think this box was designed to fit a standard 4x6 shipping label right on the box itself. What's going on inside, you ask? Great question. I can notice here by looking closely that there's actually the beginning of a tear strip right here. So this means I don't need to go grab scissors to open this box. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Fine, whatever. I'll just do it. Okay, so what you'll see here is that this tear strip was reinforced. It actually has a little plastic strip that was put on the inside of the box to make sure that when I tear it, the tear strip actually tears open. The tear strip ends right here before the end of the box, and I can then just really easily open this up, and the box opens. I notice immediately that the box is white on the inside instead of Kraft. And it's also printed. Lots of fun things going on in here. I'm getting my first blast of color, and it's this beautiful minty green color. And it's actually the boxes that hold the products, my actual contact lenses, that have the color. I think that this is a beautiful move, where the shipper box is black, Kraft, and white, but the product boxes have color to kind of draw attention to themselves. There's also this nice little booklet. It says Hubble, a closer look. So this information card has all sorts of useful information, and you can tell that it's printed on an inexpensive paper stock, but still has a really nice finish. It's telling me things I need to know to properly use my contact lenses. How do I see this when I first get the box? If my contacts aren't in my eyeballs, maybe if I'm already a subscriber, I'm fine. If not, they use a really nice kind of large typeface here. Accident? Probably not. You guys are blind as bats. This isn't a brand that would really win you over with fine print. It's actually helping me understand how to use the product. Rinse your hands thoroughly, that's just good hygiene. To break off a lens, grab each end of the strip and snap it back like a Kit Kat bar. I love that. I love how they're actually using something that I use in my daily life, eating candy, to do something for my physical health. Also, they're advising me, make the choice to recycle your Hubble box and lens packs. We help you see the world, you can help make it worth seeing. I love that, that's so cute. It's a way of reminding me that everything that I just ordered here is recyclable. So, great information, very simply executed, and also fully recyclable. Now, for the box itself. They're doing a clever thing with the flaps here. Normally, dust flaps are for dust, but when you look closely at this box, you'll notice that these dust flaps actually fold down. They're actually meant to hold the product in place as well. Do you see how there's about, ½ inch plus on the side of the box between the product and the top of the box? Well, these flaps actually address that and hold the product in place so that it does not shake around too much in transit. That way, everything delivers to you nice, safe, and sound. So this box is a variation on a roll-end tuck-top box. And the variations are just, you've got these weird side flaps, as I mentioned, that hold the product in place. And you also have a front flap that goes further and actually secures to the bottom of the box and is adhesed on so that the user, when they actually receive it at home, can use that tear strip to open the box. All in all, a very efficient box. You can tell the box footprint is quite small. The more efficient the box design, the more inexpensive the box and less waste, which is great for the environment. How can I tell that this is efficient? Well, generally speaking, it fits into a nice square shape. There's no kind of flap that protrudes far out of the box. Because think about it like cookie cutting. If you have like a kind of a weird flap or a weird shape that goes out, now you have wasted material. Let's touch on this, the product box itself. So this product box is a nice carton box, and it's printed with two different colors. You've got the dark green and the light green, and then it also has spot UV. You might have a hard time seeing it, but there's a little bit of shine going on these dots. That is a spot UV ink that gives it that shine. The box construction is quite standard, but very nice and holds the product perfectly. So inside I've actually got my contacts, and I can keep them in this box, probably in my drawer, really easily. This box will also be recyclable. The box probably fits everyone's contacts, but when I actually look here, there's a little sticker that gives me some information just about my eyes. Those are 2 words, guys. And so this is how I know this is actually the right contact for me. Now, this inside print is really cute. You've got little floating contacts floating all around in space looking for an eyeball, and you've also got little contact tabs and then the packaging. So it really matches what you're actually receiving is represented in the illustration. I love how they're bringing that all together and kind of making it feel very cohesive. You guys, it's time to roll in the recap. I love Hubble packaging for a lot of reasons, but here's my top 3. First, it's compact. I get this package every month, so I don't want it to be bigger than it needs to be, both from a waste perspective and in terms of what it's like to actually receive and deal with. Next up, it's friendly. All the copy and language that help me understand how to use the product, they really take the stress out of it. It doesn't seem medical. It just seems like a part of my life, and I love that. And last but not least, it's convenient. The package itself is easy to receive. I can actually take and use the tear strip to open it, and then when I open it, everything is easy to open. I don't have to claw into anything, and it makes me feel like this is just a part of my lifestyle. This has been Hubble Unboxed.